Hello friends, welcome back to Christmas in July. I have card design number 2 for you. We're celebrating the greetings of the season. Beautiful fonts in this stamp set. I'm going to show you the first card I made, which was on Monday. So you want to scroll back on the YouTube channel to see that card come together. And here I have fussy cut some of the things from the seasons of green and gold designer series paper. And this is going to be my card front. So I'm just going to put some adhesive. And then I have a basic white cardstock for my card base. And I have some more of the seasons of green and gold, and it's specialty designer series paper. So I am placing that full panel on my card front and just adhering it down with my favorite adhesive, which is Seal Plus. I'm going to fold and burnish my card. And then I'm bringing out my little mini cut and emboss machine. And with this Seasons of Gold, it is called Greetings of the Season. They have a corresponding dies, and they all look like tags, except I figured out a way that you don't have to use them as tags, or you can use them as tags. So you could just roll the tag hold side through halfway and then flip the die around and then do it that way, so you don't have to have a little tag hole. I don't care about the tag hole. I'm not making a tag, but yeah, so I'm just giving you an option in case you like the shape and you wanted to use it not like a tag. So I'm going to save that piece for another project. And here I am inking up the stamp set. And it says Happy Holidays. I'm going to do it twice. And it's funny because you'll see me use this same greeting on Friday. All right, so I'm just going to trim that down. The one thing I really love about my Stampin' Up! Trimmer is it really cuts the tiniest of like slivers of paper off. So very handy. So here I have the negative piece of the very vanilla that I die cut that shape out of, and I'm spritzing on some, this is garden green, and I'm just making a few little marks, just the way I did in the first video. You might want to go spin back, look for the free card kit video for July, and you'll see that card. So I put this up on dimensionals. I put adhesive on the tag part, so the positive side of the die cut, but I'm just slipping it right in the hole. So looks cool, right? So it's lower than the outside. And now I'm going to build a cluster. So just with my dry adhesive, I kind of figured out that I needed to have dimensionals on the, I guess it would be the right side. So I put those down, and then the whole lot of editing happening whilst I put these pieces in. So these pieces I fussy cut before I did the video because I knew what I was going to do with this card. But I get it, folks. You some of you don't like fussy cutting. So I did all the fussy cutting off screen, and so I cut these pieces from like bits and bobs that I had from the Seasons of Green and Gold specialty designer series paper in this little twig, and there's even this vellum part, and that's from Graceful Greenery Vellum. I'll put all the links below in the description box or on my blog, of course, so that you can see and figure out how much and what you want to buy. And also remember, there's bonus days on right now. You buy something for $60 here in the online store, and then you'll get a $6 coupon for something, coupon off for your next purchase in August. So look at these little bells, super cute. Cut them out stuck a double dimensional on the top part and single dimensionals on the bottom. And here is my happy holidays. My it's funny, member of my family gets bent out of joint with the name Happy Holidays. I personally don't care if someone says Happy Holidays to me. They're just being kind and generous with their wishes. So, but I mean, everybody does, I feel, prefer Merry Christmas, but Happy Holidays is great as well. Put your comment down in the description which you like better, Happy Holidays or Merry Christmas. How's that? All right, so now I am using the, what is it called? Hang on, I will get it out. It is called the Metallic Enamel Effects Basic in gold flavor. It comes in 3 colors. I think silver, gold, and bronze maybe. Very affordable. You can make your own designs. And pretty much that is my card for today. I want to remind you to check out all the supplies I used today in the video's See More section or in the supplies section of my blog. And of course, those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. So thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.